Quick question, can your SUV float? Because car number 2 on this list can. I'm serious, emergency flotation mode is a real thing now. We're witnessing the most aggressive automotive takeover in history. And honestly, I'm here for the drama. From headlights that project navigation on the road to motors that deliver 1100 horsepower, these 3 Chinese SUVs are the definition of overkill. Get ready because the future of luxury just arrived and it's way crazier than you think. Number 3. Aito M9. Bro, what is actually happening in the world right now? I am looking at a car that has a freaking 100-inch projector screen inside. No, not a tablet, a movie theater. This is the Aito M9, and it's basically what happens when Huawei decided to stop making phones for a second and decided to humiliate every luxury SUV maker in the West. It's so advanced, it makes my current daily driver feel like a horse and buggy. Seriously, if you aren't hitting that like button and subscribing to Vroom right now for more of this madness, I don't know what to tell you. Let's get into this beast. Look at the front of this thing. It's got these Huawei X-Pixel headlights that don't just light up the road, they literally project images and paths onto the pavement to show you where you're turning. It's like playing a video game in real life. The grille is clean and closed off because, well, aerodynamics. And the whole face looks like a high-tech stormtrooper that went to finishing school. Moving to the side, we've got 21-inch wheels that fill out the arches perfectly, and the body lines are smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy. The door handles pop out to greet you like they're happy you're there, and the two-tone paint job is giving me major Maybach vibes. It's elegant, it's long, and it's intimidating. Round the back, the light bar is a work of art, with animations that look like liquid fire. Why do our SUVs look so blocky and boring compared to this? Under the hood, well, under the floor, you've got a choice between a pure EV or a range extender version. We're talking about a massive 100 kilowatt-hour battery in the EV that'll get you nearly 391 miles of range. It's rocking a dual-motor setup pushing 523 horsepower. This 3-ton living room hits 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. Bro, that's faster than some Porsches. And don't worry about safety, because this thing is built like a tank, with 2,000 megapascal high-strength steel and enough airbags to turn the cabin into a bounty castle if things go south. It's got LiDAR on the roof, looking like a little crown, constantly scanning for danger. Now the interior. Hold on to your seats. The dashboard is basically one giant piece of glass with 3 screens, a 12.3-inch cluster, a 15.6-inch center, and a 16-inch passenger screen. But the zero-gravity seats are the real star. They're wrapped in Nappa leather. They heat, they cool, they massage, and they recline so far back you'll forget you're in a car. And that 100-inch projector I mentioned, it drops from the ceiling for the rear passengers. Plus, it has a 25-speaker Huawei sound system that'll blow your eardrums out in the best way possible. You can fit 6 people in here with more legroom than a first-class flight. You could do a full Costco run and still have room for a flat-screen TV. The price? It starts around $65,000 for a Maybach competitor. America would literally riot if we could get this for that price. Would you take this over a Cadillac Escalade? Think about it, because car number 2 is about to make this look normal. Number 2. BYD Yangwang U8. Wait, hold up. Did that SUV just do a 360 tank turn on dry pavement? Yes, it did. This is the BYD Yangwang U8. And it is officially the most main character energy vehicle on the planet. It doesn't just drive, it dances, it floats, and it makes every Hummer EV owner look like they're driving a toy. If this thing doesn't earn a like and a subscribe, nothing will. Look at the front. It's got this gateway of time and space design language. The grille is a massive illuminated constellation of LEDs that merge into the headlights. It looks like something a futuristic warlord would drive. It's got 3 LiDAR sensors, 1 on the roof and 2 on the fenders because 1 wasn't enough for BYD. On the side, it's a massive boxy silhouette with 22-inch forged wheels and hidden door handles. The D-pillar has these chrome slats that actually show the battery charge level. Genius! The rear is just as aggressive, with L-shaped taillights and a massive spare tire cover that looks like it's made of vibranium. It makes a Range Rover look like a generic rental car. The powertrain is where things get truly illegal. It has 4 electric motors, 1 for each wheel. That means 1,180 horsepower and over 900 pound-feet of torque. It does 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds, in a vehicle that weighs nearly 8,000 pounds. But here's the kicker. It's waterproof. If you end up in a flood, the U8 triggers an emergency flotation mode, shuts the windows, and uses its wheels to paddle through the water like a boat. Bro, what? It's also got an 800-volt system, so it charges faster than you can grab a coffee. For safety, it has the Disys P intelligent hydraulic body control. If you blow a tire at 75 miles per hour, the car will automatically adjust the suspension to keep you level on 3 wheels. It's basically uncrashable. Inside, it's a temple of leather and wood. Every surface is Sapele wood or Napa leather. The dashboard has a curved 12.8-inch OLED screen, and the passenger gets their own 23.6-inch display. There's even a freaking fridge in the center console that's actually a fridge, not just a cooled box. The rear seats have their own tablets, and the 22-speaker Dynaudio Evidence Series sound system is the best thing I've ever heard. You can fit 5 people in absolute opulence, and the trunk is big enough for a weekend at the lake. Literally in the lake. The price is about $150,000. It sounds like a lot until you realize it does things a $1 million car can't do. Would you take this over a G-Wagon? You might say yes now, but wait until you see car number 1. It's the final boss. Number 1, Zeekr 9X. Okay, forget everything you thought you knew about luxury. We've reached the peak. The Zeekr 9X, known in China as the 7X and its flagship siblings, is the one that's going to make Tesla engineers stay up at night crying into their pillows. This is the SUV that looks like it traveled back in time from 2050 just to flex on us. If you've made it this far, you better be subscribed because this is the grand finale. The front of this car features the Zeekr Stargate light curtain. It's a 93-inch wide integrated light strip that can display personalized messages or animations. You can literally make your car say, "Get out of the way," to the guy in front of you. The hood is sculpted with these aggressive lines that lead into a hidden sensor roofline. Moving to the side, it has a hidden design philosophy. No window frames, hidden door handles, and even the charging port is tucked away behind a motorized panel. The wheels are 22-inch aero blades that look like they belong on a stealth fighter. At the back, it has a glowing silk light bar that is so fine and detailed it looks like high-end jewelry. It's elegant, but it's got a stance that says, "I will gap you at the red light." The performance is just disrespectful. Built on the 800-volt PMA 2 Plus platform, it can add 250 miles of range in just 15 minutes. It's got a dual-motor setup producing 637 horsepower, launching this luxury lounge to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. The efficiency is through the roof thanks to silicon carbide inverters. It's like they took a race car and hid it inside a velvet glove. Safety? It's got a roof-mounted LiDAR and dual Orin X chips. It doesn't just see the road, it understands it. It's got a shatterproof glass roof and a reinforced cell that can withstand a literal house falling on it. But the interior is why we're here. It's covered in eco-friendly microfibers and soft-touch materials that feel better than silk. The 15-inch 3.5K OLED center screen is so crisp, you'll want to watch 4K movies on it, and it even tilts toward the driver. The rear seats, they have a boss mode button that slides the front passenger seat forward, drops a footrest, and turns the back into a recliner with a massage function that targets 10 different points on your back. There's a physical slider for the fragrance system, and the ambient lighting has 256 colors that sync to your music. It's not a car, it's a spa on wheels. You have more legroom than a Chevy Suburban in a footprint that's easier to park. The trunk has a magic floor that can be configured for groceries, gear, or even a hidden pet bed. The price for this level of insanity? Around $40,000 to $50,000, depending on the trim. Bro, that is the price of a loaded Toyota RAV4. For this, I am officially jealous. My mind is blown. Alright, that was the top 3. 3 Chinese SUVs that just made me question everything I thought I knew about automotive tech. Which one would you actually take home? The projector-toting Aito, the floating BYD, or the futuristic Zeekr? Drop your pick in the comments. I need to see who's Team U8 or who's all about that Zeekr life. Smash that like button if your jaw dropped even once, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next insane reveal, and ring that bell because next time we're checking out another set of rides that'll make every US car owner a little salty. Bro, I'm still shook. Which of these three would you drive first?